How you guys doing today? So I know some of the challenges that you are probably facing when you're trying to start your dropshipping business is you want to find out which dropshipping product is going to sell the most so that you can maximize your return for your effort spent. So in this video, we're going to learn about a product that you can start selling today that can make you the most out of your time and you'll be able to achieve financial success. So the first thing that we're going to do here is we're going to go to google.com. Then in the Google search engine, we're going to type in Google Trend. Then we're going to go click on Google Trend, which will take us to this website right here. Now, the cool thing about Google Trend is that this will allow you to find out what is popular so that you can be able to take the action now in order to get the products available for dropshipping. Google Trend is a search trend feature that displays the frequency with which a given search term is entered into Google search engine in comparison to the site's total search volume over a given time period. So let me show you how this works here. So where it says enter a search term or a topic, we're going to type in bamboo toothbrush and then hit enter. Now, as we look here where it says interest over time, we can see that starting from June of 2020, there has been a fluctuating of interest of each month that passes by. And you can see some spikes over here and you can see some drop-offs over here. But overall, there is a great deal of interest for bamboo toothbrush. As we scroll down a little bit further, we can see here where it says interest by sub-region. And we can see that the top 5 interest states that seems to be looking for bamboo toothbrush. Now, this is a very important detailed information because when you're going about starting a dropshipping business, you want to know where most of your potential customers will be located at so that you can be able to create ads and be able to place them in locations where they will do very well so that you can get the most of your money spent. As we scroll down further, we can see here where it says related topics, and you can see the top 5 topics that is related to bamboo toothbrush, which we can include into our dropshipping store. So this is some of the actions that you want to take before starting your dropshipping business, because you want to find the products that are in demand and then create a marketing strategy as to how you're going to go about marketing these products to your potential customers. Now that you have a better understanding of how to go about looking for products to find so that you can be able to start your dropshipping business, your next step afterwards would be to create a website so that you can be able to place your dropshipping items on, and then pretty much you're good to go. Now, I have a very important video for you guys to watch called the 3 things about dropshipping that you may have not known about, which you can click right over here. And essentially the video is going to be telling you about things that you need to know when you're starting your dropshipping business so that you can increase your chances of financial success. I hope you guys reach your success in dropshipping business. Take care now.